This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings and locating the home screen controls. Press Home or the Settings gear now. If your remote has a Quick Settings button, use it to jump faster. Make sure your TV model and WebOS version are noted, because labels like Home Settings or General change slightly. Once you see the menu, navigate with the arrow keys and focus on options that mention Home, Home Screen, or Launcher. This is where the visibility control lives. Next, move through settings to the specific home or general area. Use the arrows and OK button. Look for terms like Home Screen, Launcher, or Home Visibility. Those are the controls that toggle what appears at startup. Select the option, choose Hide or Disable, and watch the preview if shown. That preview confirms the effect. Make sure to apply or confirm the change, because leaving without saving will revert to the original behavior. If a restart is requested, accept it. To finish, restart the TV so the new home setting takes full effect. After reboot, verify that the home screen no longer appears. If it still shows, go back into settings and repeat the toggle, then check for a firmware update. Sometimes software fixes are needed. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but back up preferences first. If none of these work, contact LG support with your model number. They can guide model-specific steps or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.